Hallo zusammen. Hello everybody. I'm here for my third little mini concert from my living room after 20 days of working on my songs every day and posting something online. If you have not heard of it before, if you haven't seen any of the other videos, hi Veronika! Wenn du die anderen Videos noch nicht gesehen hast, es sind jetzt schon 20 Tage, glaube ich, das ist der 20. Tag und das ist auch mein drittes Konzert. Das ist wirklich spannend, wie das funktioniert mit diesem Facebook Live. Ich fühle mich wie in einem Konzert und einige der Zuschauer haben mir erzählt, sie fühlen sich auch wie in einem Konzert. So both sides feel like in a real life situation, and that's actually all we need to have a concert. And I prepared a few songs for today, but if you know my songs, hi Pascal, if you know my songs, you can also just write in the comments if you have a suggestion of a song I should do. I will see if I can do it, because not all of the songs are completely in my head. Hey Marianne, nice to see you. Good to have you. Good to have you here. So I'm almost ready to start. It's almost like in a real setting. You wait until the people are in the room and I can start. So I see more and more people are coming on. Hello, nice to see you. Hallo Frauke, schön, dass du wieder dabei bist. Today I will start with a song, about one of my favorite topics. Like, many of us know that sometimes there's an inner voice that suggests things or criticizes or judges, and it's really not helpful. But we all have to sometimes interact with this voice, and my friend that I wrote this song about knows a lot about this voice. So make her see it. Enjoy. She sits on her balcony, sipping her coffee and smiles. Right now everything is exactly the way she'd always hoped it would be. She's cycling to town, wind in her hair, and she smiles. Right now everything is uplifting and fun, and peace is filling her heart. When she's back at home, her confidence suddenly fades. The voice in her head is not happy with her, no matter how hard she tries. Please make her see it. There's so much more that she could be, if that little voice inside would decide to set her free. Please make her see it. There's so much further she could go, if that little voice inside would decide to tell her so. Please make her see it. There's so much more that she could be, if that inner voice would tell her that most of what it's telling her isn't true. She's always on time, giving her best, saying yes. When her boss gives her more stuff to do than she's paid for, she smiles and never complains. When she goes to bed, she turns out the light and she cries. The voice in her head is not happy with her, no matter how hard she tries. No matter how hard she tries. Please make her see it. There's so much more that she could be if that little voice inside would decide to set her free. Please make her see it. There's so much further she could go if that little voice inside would decide to let her know. Please make her see it. There's so much more that she could do if that inner voice would tell her that most of what it's telling her isn't true. Most of what it's telling her isn't true. Most of what it's telling her. Most of what it's telling me. Most of what it's telling you. Most of what it has to say isn't true. Hoi Beat. So that was the song about the nasty inner voice, make her see it. And I have to tell you again, it's really hard for me to interact. While I'm playing, I sometimes see things coming up, but I cannot really read what you're saying. So usually between the songs would be the best place to suggest the song you want to hear, because I saw there was a title coming up, but I couldn't read it, and so please write again between songs so I can see which song is going to be next. Freut mich sehr, dass ihr da seid. Very happy to see you. Next song is called How Come? And it's in a way a song about gratitude. And I wrote it last year when I was in Bali, and I couldn't believe how, simplicity and beauty comes together so much there. And in a way, since then, I can also see that coming together of simplicity and beauty in my life, even if I'm back in Switzerland. It's a little harder to see, but it's possible. And so I started to ask myself a little more often, how come? Meaning, I don't take things for granted, but I stop and I reflect. Kai, schön dich zu sehen. Ich beginne gerade den nächsten Song, der heißt How Come? Wie kommt's? Eigentlich ein Lied über Dankbarkeit oder darüber, dass man reflektiert, was man alles hat. How come? How come? How come? How come? There is paradise in front of my door, and one part of me asks, who could ask for anything more? How come there's a garden in front of my porch, extending as far as the eye can see, inviting me? Could this be real? this be home? Could this be real? Could this be more than just a dream? Could this be all I ever asked for? Could this be home? How come? How come there's a garden in front of my porch, extending as far as the eye can see, inviting me? This could be real. This could be more than just a dream. This could be all I ever asked for. This could be home. This could be real. Yes, this is more than just a dream. Yes, this is all I ever asked for. Yes, this is home. Yes, this is all I ever asked for. Yes, this is home. Yes, this is all I ever asked for. Yes, this is home. Thank you for listening. Danke, dass ihr dabei seid. Jetzt habe ich zwischendurch nicht aufgeschnappt, ob jemand einen Liedvorschlag hatte, aber es ist immer noch Zeit. Und wenn du neu dazugekommen bist, if this is your first time seeing one of my songs or one of my videos, I'm in the process of a 28-day challenge. And I'm actually ready for a break, and I'm getting a break from tomorrow, I think, because in a week I will be traveling to Bali, and my intention is to do the rest of the challenge over there with a different background, with different noises in the background, with a different inspiration. So today, the last day of the first half, and I'm gonna do a song that is called Something I Will Lose, because every time when we start something new, it's actually a fact that we also lose something. So like whenever we gain something, we lose something. Whenever we step into something new, we have to say goodbye to something old, or at least that's like a habit that I use it, I like it. Sometimes it's hard to say goodbye, sometimes it's easy, but we cannot live without ever saying goodbye. So, Something I Will Lose, a song I wrote when I was getting ready for my yoga teacher training, because I knew this is going to be hard, and I knew I will come out the other end of this training a different person. I know there's something I will lose, and I know this time it's not me who'll choose where I'll end up, and I feel like there is nothing in my path that's gonna stop me, but I'm scared, 'cause I love the skin I'll have to shed. to become the man that I can be. I will have to let go of the bigger part of me. And although I will be traveling alone, this much is clear to me: I'll never walk alone. Sometimes the night may seem too long, but it has to feel this way for our hearts to turn out strong. And the bridges that we burn become the lessons that we learn. It does make sense to live without pretense. The simple truth that a light is meant to shine didn't seem to apply to this inner light of mine. I was blinded by tradition and the things that people say, but now my own light guides my way. And with so many songs, I also wrote a Swiss-German version, and the Swiss-German version is coming up. Die schweizerdeutsche Version kommt. After this, I will go on in English. Ich weiss, ich muss etwas gehen. Und ich weiss, Gott ist mal nicht nach mir, wo ich will stehen. Muss eine alte Haut abstreifen, als vergessen, wo ich weiss. Doch kein Hindernis ist gross genug, das mich bremst auf dieser Reise. In mir ist alles, was ich könnte sein. Ganz präsent und doch verdeckt von dem, wo ich nicht mehr länger bin. Und obwohl mein Weg durch die Wüste führt, ist etwas mir ganz klar dabei: ich mache nicht allein. Wir meinen, jede schwere Zeit sei zu viel. Aber das, was einem am meisten bringt, ist nicht immer, was man will. Wenn ich loslasse, was mich festhält, kann ich werden, wer ich bin. Ganz egal, wer ich mein Leben lang war. Das Licht ist dafür da, dass es hell brennt. Von meinem eigenen Licht bin ich, wie viele andere, zu lang wegrennt. Tradition und was die Leute könnten denken, hat mich ganz blind gemacht. Aber jetzt leuchtet mein Licht auch in der Nacht. If you've been blinded by tradition and the things that people say, I hope your own light still guides your way. If you've been blinded by tradition and the things that people say, I hope your own light still guides your way. Wenn Tradition und was die Leute könnten denken, die vom Weg abbringt, lass auf dein Herz, es weiss genau, welcher Weg dir klingt. Wenn Tradition und was die Leute könnten denken, die vom Weg abbringt, Dankeschön vielmals fürs Zuhören. Thank you for being here with me. Dankeschön, Simon. Dankeschön. Yes, let it shine. Let your light shine. Das gilt für alle. Es ist mir so wichtig. It's really important to me to get all the layers out of the way so that we are able to actually see what's inside of ourselves and then use that to go out into the world, to interact with each other from an authentic point and not from some facade person that will never reflect who's really inside. Yeah, I think I'm getting ready for my last song, unless someone has a suggestion. I think I'm gonna go with an older song of mine. It's called Discover Who You Are. And it's the same topic. Danke Beat, gern geschehen. Danke Pascal. Danke fürs Zuhören. Jetzt noch der letzte für heute. Find heraus, wer du bist. Discover who you are. Stand up straight, your back against the wall. Close your eyes and imagine feeling really, really small. Like being a child again. Imagine you can hear a distant voice telling you that most things in your life happen by choice. Could you believe it? No one can distort your point of view here. Discover who you are inside and never feel the need to hide again. If it's true that nothing stays the same, take a turn, only you can change the rules in your own game. Try being a child again. Invent what's missing, paint what you desire. Make a wish, spend time with books and records you admire. Or just do nothing. No one can distort your point of view here. Discover who you are inside and never feel the need to hide again. No, never feel the need to hide again. Never feel the need to hide again. The only constant thing in life is change. Who's to say that you're better off not trying to rearrange your way of living? Let the people talk and make your mind up. Discover who you are inside and never feel the need to hide again. No, never feel the need to hide again. Never feel the need to hide. Let the people talk and make your mind up. Discover who you are. Wer bist du eigentlich? ganz tief in dir drin. Inside. Inside. Hallo Arno, hoi Claudia. Jetzt bin ich gerade am Ende des Konzerts angelangt. Thank you very much for listening. That was the last song for today, I believe, unless some sort of suggestion pops up. Thank you so much for being with me. And if you liked it, then come again. Next week I try every Sunday at 7:30 Swiss time to do a little live concert here on my page. And if this is the first song you've seen ever, then scroll down later on my profile and look for videos. I've done a lot of videos and songs this month because I challenged myself as a full-time songwriter. This is it. Thank you very much. Here's the outro. Danke Kai. Mareike, jetzt bin ich schon im Outro. Aber komm nächste Woche wieder. And remember to be good to yourself, to let your light shine, to discover who you are, ja, es ist 8 Uhr und ein paar von euch haben mitbekommen in einem der letzten Videos, dass ich mich daran halte, dass in meinem Haus nicht mehr musiziert werden soll um diese Zeit. Ja, Kai, ich hoffe auch, wir sehen uns. Bye bye. Bis bald. Tschüss.